Hello everybody, welcome to iExamB. Embrace the iExamB learning experience. In this video, I have come to discuss another recruitment which is announced by PFRDA for Grade A Legal for Assistant Manager Legal Post. This is the recruitment PDF. You can download this from the description below. You can fill the application form from 23rd of June to 6th of August. The Phase 1 online examination is on September 6, Saturday, and the Phase 2 examination is on October 6, Monday. Coming to the number of vacancies, for the general stream there are 8 posts. For legal stream there are 2 posts. In the past also we have seen 2 or 3 posts only for PFRD legal. The education qualification as on 31st of July 2025 is bachelor degree in law from a recognized university or institute. Please note, candidates are permitted to apply for maximum 2 streams only, for which he or she is eligible to apply as per the education qualifications. The date of passing the eligibility examination will be the date appearing on the mark sheet or provisional certificate. Also, candidates who have appeared for final qualifying examination and awaiting their results are eligible to appear for Phase 1, Phase 2 and Phase 3 of the selection process. However, the offer to join, if any, shall be subject to production of necessary documents. So if you have already appeared for your final exams and are awaiting results, you can appear for this exam. Your results should have been declared by Phase 3 by the time of your interview and document verification. So you will be eligible to join if your mark sheet provisional degree is available by the time you have completed your PFRDA interview. The age limit is as on 31st of July 2025. Your age should not have exceeded 30 years. That is, a candidate must have been born on or after 1st of August 1995. Then coming to the mode of selection. Selection shall be a 3-stage process. Phase 1 is online screening consisting of 2 papers. Phase 2 is again online examination consisting of 2 papers. And Phase 3 is your interview. In the Phase 1 online examination, you have 2 papers. Now look carefully, it is quite similar to SEBI Legal. So Phase 1 paper 1 is QRE-GA. There are 20 questions in each section of 25 marks. Overall 60 minutes, 80 questions, 100 marks. And paper 2 is your legal paper, multiple choice questions on the legal paper, 50 questions of 100 marks. There will be negative marking, 1/4 negative marking is present. Candidates will need to secure separate cutoffs in each paper. Sectional cutoff in paper 1 is not there, but individually separate cutoffs are there for both paper 1 and paper 2. However, the 30% 40% criteria has been removed this year. The individual paper cutoffs will be decided later on by the authority. The minimum aggregate cutoff for being shortlisted for Phase 2 will be decided by the authority in relation to the number of vacancies. Then coming to Phase 2 examination, paper 1 is descriptive English, 3 questions of 100 marks, duration is 60 minutes. Paper 2 is again legal objective paper, 50 questions of 100 marks to be attempted in 40 minutes. 1/4 negative marking is present for objective paper. There will be separate cutoffs for both paper 1 and paper 2 in Phase 2. The minimum aggregate marks will be decided by the authority later on. Then there is Phase 3 interview. Only shortlisted candidates after Phase 2 will be called for interview. Phase 2 online written examination has 85% weightage and interview has 15% weightage. Final selection will be based on total marks in Phase 2 and Phase 3. Then there is a probation period present. Probation period of 1 year is there. The pay scale is also mentioned. Basic pay is 44,500 with subsequent increments over the year. There are gross emoluments including PFRD's contribution towards NPS, grade allowance, special grade allowance, various kinds of allowances are present. Therefore, your gross salary at a minimum of scale is approximately 1,57,000 per month. There are various other benefits, the fare concession, medical expenses, personal accident insurance, eye refraction, cost of spectacles, education allowance, various other allowances are also present. In the end of the PDF, you will also find the syllabus for your legal paper. The syllabus for legal paper is common for both the phases. These are the topics that you may have to study: PFRDA Act, PMLA, Constitution of India, Law of Contract, Criminal Law, Bharatiya Sakshya Adhiniyam, Code of Civil Procedure, Administrative Law and Principles of Natural Justice, Jurisprudence Interpretation, Law of Torts, Consumer Protection, Arbitration Conciliation Act, Transfer of Property Act, Law of Trust, Corporate Law, Taxation, Digital Personal Data Protection Act, Intellectual Property Rights Concepts, and RTI Act. So these are all the topics that you will have to prepare both for Phase 1 and Phase 2. You can check out this recruitment. You can prepare for various upcoming exams together. If you have any queries, any doubts, you can write them down in the comment below. There is a Google form attached in the description. You can also mention your queries in the Google form. That's all for now. Thank you so much for watching this video. Enroll with iExamB and make your preparation 50% faster. Subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned.